Wala nang asukal na pula.
Because I was teaching him the other day, he was not saying it right.
What was he saying?
He was Jug-Jugan.
Okay, thank you.
It is Yug-Yugan. Bisaya din ito.
Oh?
It's also Bisaya. Alam mo, I don't know, gusto kita makita naman ng isang beses, serious kang kumanta.
Seryoso
Hindi
yan.
puro na lang nung tumatakbo dito, tumatakbo doon, nahuhulog sa doon, sa doon.
Ako masasabi ko na nakakatakot pag pumapak ako dyan sa stage na yan at sabay tayong kumanta. Nakakita ako ng litrato na nakalagay, Mr. Pure Energy with Mr. Multivitamin. Grabe. Pero alam mo, sasabihin ko modesto, mali pala. No? Kedebon, son, minsan napapansin ko dahil sobrang excited ka, hindi mo tinatapos yung mga kinakanta mo. At alam ng, kilala ng tao alam ng tao kung ano yung mga sinasabi mo. Pero pag kumakanta ka, biglang sa dulo, nawawala ka sa sayang, no? Yun lang ang kailangan mong ayusin ng konti. Kasi excited ka, sana kumpletuhin mo na yung package at gawin mong klaro ang bawat salita, bawat titik. But otherwise, Kedebon, you have been consistent with all energy and all.
Kedebon. Oh, you make us feel so good. No, seriously, kasi from serious, natatense tayo. Every time na nagpe-perform si Kedebon, lahat tayo parang, ano ba yung kakantahin ni Kedebon? Ganyan yung ganyan yung feel. Pero, syempre, I have to say, sa mga flaws mo, yun yung lagi mong nagagawa na pag na-excite ka, either nawawala ka sa tono or parang yung mic mo lumalayo, nawawala, yun ang pag-aralan mo. Pero, other than that, Kedebon.
Tama lahat sila. Yung mga sinasabi na, tama lahat yun. Di ba alam mo naman yun? Pag sobrang excited, nawawala ka sa words, mawawala ka sa tono. But I want you to know, and I want everyone who's been tweeting and texting and Facebooking, this is probably the guy who has more character than anyone I've ever met in my career. You represent
somebody who never say die attitude. These are the qualities of a superstar. The boys, it can be fixed. Very proud of you.
Thank you, Dad.
Thank you, judges. Okay.